Ang ano, tidiward niya. Mataang vicious, ang ina, bobo. Ay, yawa.
On my way. They said this one's a classic. Excellent. Think you can take me? You won't be kidding.
Ang cancel mo.
Easy. A little of this, a bit of that. Oh, I like this one.
The other fellas tower had an accident.
No embarrassment.
Ay! Wala rin.
I didn't think that would work. Sure. Orbs up. Let's see you do this. Look at it. Just what I thought. Want to see a magic trick? Wex? What? Now? Can't forget this one. Found this in a river. Rain! Fire! Rain, fire!
Ang ina, bobo ko. Tang ina, yawa. Video ko, tang ina.
Boy ka?
Your mid tower's coming apart.
Sige, go, go, go.
Not yet.
Structures.
Tormentor, Tormentor, Tormentor.
Bit of that.
Pagkabadawasag dito.
Better run.
The other
Tormentor.
fellas top tower is making trouble.
No problem.
Tormentor top, Tormentor top.
There's nothing else to do. Check this out. Let's see you do this. Move it.
Come, come, come.
Ay, gagi. Muntikan ako.
Invoke the elements. That's even I don't understand, but that'd be lying. And what? Orbs up. Short legs, you know. Cross wings. You got it. Move it.
Ano na, mag-ulti na yung order.
Go, 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 go.
Speed where your heart does not.
Sud, 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 sud.
Not ready. Found this in a real old book. There's nothing else to do.
Bust down radiant structures now. Nothing left of the other fella's mid tower.
Sure. Growing pains. Don't think that.
Bot.
The other fella's lost the mid tower.
That's what I thought.
May binablock ko yung pizza.
Certainly. Can't forget this one. I told you not to bother me. Get more full spirit. Oh, I like this one.
Try nga natin.
Fire! Behold! Rex? I can think that word. On my way. Stick them up.
Somebody iced that.
Revive yung barako. Wala ko ano ah. Wala ko kayong sleep. Talaga.
I'd say even I don't understand. Crispy creatures who come with chaos. A little of this.
The other fella's bottom tower. Nothing but fragments now. And we're back. Bottom tower. Nothing but fragments down and fortified that structure. The other fella's bottom rags is finished. Just like the other fellas will have to do without their bottom rags.
Ares pre.
Sige. Pagbabalik ko na yata sa mid. Hindi na ako
Ha?
Baka pang mid lane na ulit ako. Hindi na ako sa boss.
Gago.
Burning battle Let's see you do this.
But the Dyer's tougher still.
Great shot. On my way.
Hindi ko alam bakit nag-gulls yung ano.
Uh-huh. Can't forget this one.
nga mapatay ay.
Oh, ang Burat.
Ayos ba?
Ang anong sunstone? Yawa.
Yan ko ka rin sa back na eh.
Save the top tower.
Tutang ina. Blood grenade.
So simple. It's not even magic.
Tang inang dalawang support to. we are SDP here.
The other fella's top rags ain't gonna be a problem now.
And then what?
Ay, gago. Ay, mali sila dyan.
We found this in Julian.
Tang ina daming AOE.
Just what I thought. Let's see.
Eh, kaya lang ko ba siya? Okay.
Geist of lethargy. Sport legs, you know.
Ako mo?
Sure. Who's gonna stop me now? Orbs up.
Ano level ba ng invoker ko? Ba't wala akong voice chat sa Sigma?
Get ready.
Piling na namin, piling na
And then what?
Yo, simple na kayo bro.
Moving.
Ano ba yun? Tagawin mo ako?
I'm good. Come and get me. You get a scar? And you. Look out, world. Behold. Spin 'em up. Race ya. Want to see magic trick? A little less.
Nag-quit.
The right swings, excellent.
May ano raw yung offlane natin. Pahinga mo na raw siya.
Party pala sa tatlo. OD.
Parang 1.5 pala yun. Ano. Dapat 1.57 kayo na to.
Yung Fudge.
Ah.
Malaki yata. Uy, plus 30? Ay. Alam, putang.
Plus ano ako, 27. May last pre, CR lang. A lang ako. Nabasag din yung low streak niya. Galing mag-offlane yan eh.
Ha?
Magaling mag-offlane yung kasama natin.
Yan.
Basag nga yung low streak niya. Anim yung low streak.
Wow, black.
Yung nag-immortal na to, yung ano na ilalaro yung Samara.
Five seconds.
Oy, napik...
You're up.
Anong gusto mo dito? Lion o ano? Lion o Jakiro? Hmm. Kasi,
Jakiro?
o Abaddon. Jakiro na lang.
10
Jakiro.
seconds to go.
Laki ng dagdag sa atin eh, no? Oo, nakahata kasi low rank ako. Oo, wala pala divine dun, ah.
Ago.
Kaya siguro plus 27. Ano kaya yung pag solo? Ang mga mahina art warden natin, pre.
Bahala siya.
Hmm?
Uy, kalaban natin sila.
Sino?
yung tatlo, gago.
Sino pala ulit kalaban natin?
Sige pa. Ah,
30 seconds to showtime.
ito. 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 Ay, dito ako sa likod. Putang in. Ito. Sige, kaya to. Ata. Ah, pala siya.
Ano?
Off yung ano. Yung 2-star ba?
Sino ba siya kanina?
First skill kinuha niya.
CM pala ulit yung...
Same ulit yung bobo. Boost. Mga booster ata yan.
Booster? Booster?
Oh.
Oopsie, may pwede si dito.
Pabalik ako sa aking lane.
Naglinak ata camp natin. Ingat pra.
Sige lang.
Dito na naman namin. Gugugo na ata.
Tanan ko yan. Yung ano.
Ayun,
Yawa, naka ano.
Warrior mo. Ano yan? Ano kayo Lotus ah?
Ago. San?
Check your bottom tower.
Ano kinakain yung loot natin ah? Kuha na ba level 1 ice pot o pangharas na lang? Let's go.
Pwede. First skill ka nga.
Ginawa ko pang micro na lang.
Moment of silence for the Dire's courier.
Hindi ako ice pot ah. Hindi mo na ako pre. Ay, hindi na naman ako. Lahat ah.
Perfect match up nila, LS sa CN. Kawawa yung team.
Ultra slow.
Bad for your top tower.
Pwede to.
Pakaya ko sa dito. Nakalaro ko yun sa main account niya eh. Divine Trade.
Sino?
Si Doy.
Ha?
Si Doy.
Si Doy.
Si JG. Yung nakalaro natin dati.
Yung ano, yung Timber?
Oo.
Ano ba?
Ano dito na kayo. Nangyari sa mga.
Ito.
Isang segundo.
Yawa. Uy, sniper pre.
Wait lang muna ako sa mid ah.
Sige.
Fortune.
One yung ano. Gagak nga ako dyan. Go, sniper.
Okay na. Nasaan ka natin? Patay naman.
Somebody's on a roll.
Kawawa naman yung ano.
Ano ba yung last pick san? Ay, anong... Ano ba yan? Last pick LS?
Your bottom tower ain't long for this world.
May Walrus punch.
The other fellas aiming to wreck your bottom tower.
Nakaisa.
The